Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna let you know about the 5 best waterfalls in Himachal. Also I will let you know about the distance from Chandigarh or Delhi, availability of hotels, accessibility to waterfalls, road conditions, etc. So let's just begin with my favorite. Choi Waterfall. Choi waterfall is one of my favorite. It is roughly around 50 to 60 feet tall waterfall which is directly coming from the melting snow from peaks. Let's talk about the pros, which are pristine water, less crowdy, easy to approach, but yes, you have to trek around 3 kilometers from the main road of Tirthan Valley. Tirthan Valley is located in Kullu district of Himachal. First you need to go Banjar after crossing Kullu tunnel. You can simply use GPS for Tirthan. Total distance from Chandigarh is around 250 km. Further you can add 220 km if you are coming from Delhi. For transportation medium, please look below in description box. Further in Tirthan Valley you can enjoy fishing, camping near river, beautiful isolated valley, and during November to February you can embrace yourself with snowfall near Jalori Pass, which is hardly around 25 km from the valley. There is no camping facility or hotels near this waterfall. However, you can get many of them in Tirthan Valley. Number 2. Badolia Waterfall. It's another beautiful and easily approachable waterfall near to Chandigarh, which is located on the way to Renuka Ji. Let's discuss about pros, which are easily approachable, scenic view. Little downside is that you cannot go really near to the fall unless you can hike on these big boulders. Distance of this waterfall is around 120 km from Chandigarh and 293 from Delhi, coming via Nahan. Apart from the waterfall, you can visit Renuka Ji, which is hardly around 11 km from this place, and enjoy the lake, boating, wildlife sanctuary, ancient temples, all at one place. Isn't it the best place to visit? There is no hotel near to the waterfall, but yes, you can definitely go to Renuka Ji. Link to view the Renuka Ji and the entire journey, you can find the link in description box, and you can also just click on the button showing on the right side. Number 3. Jangeshu. It's more like a water stream, I must say. However, it offers a great deal for a single day journey for Chandigarh and nearby. This place is located on Old Kasoli route, which is from Parmanu. If you are going to Kasoli, I must say you should go from this route if you need to enjoy sunset view with no crowd around you. Even you can find some local hotels in this route. Road condition is just perfect. So just plan your day trip here. Thanks me later. Number 4. Bagsunag. Bagsunag waterfall is located in McLeodganj, Dharamshala. This water is one of the most famous and easily approachable waterfall, offering 40 to 50 feet tall waterfall, which is originated from the melting snow of Dhauladar range. One downside is that it's very crowded during the day. Distance from Chandigarh is 240 km. Add relevant distance from Delhi and other locations. Roads are just fine. You may easily book the hotel online. There are plenty of them. Number 5. Jogni Waterfall. Last but not least, this is my another favorite waterfall and a favorite location, located in Manali. You have to go Vasisht village first, then you have to hike around 3 km, which is a mixture of steep and moderate track. Let's talk about the pros. Here you will see 2 waterfall, one easily approachable and second Jogni waterfall, which is having some steep path as well. If you don't wanna hike, then you can easily enjoy the one which you will find on the way. In this video you can see is a very beautiful location which gives you the mesmerizing view of nature, fresh waterfall from melting snow, snow-clad mountain view, and a perfect place for meditation. That's what the name suggests itself. You will not find any camping site or hotels near to Jogni Fall, but yes, there are so many hotels in Vasisht village or in Manali. Apart from the waterfall, this is a perfect tourist destination offering snow sports, river rafting, paragliding, hot spring, ancient temples, mall roads, and almighty Rohtang Pass. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this video and you must have find this information useful. You will definitely visit these places one day. So let's just end the video here. I'm gonna leave some links to these videos so you can find them in description box. So guys, till then, bye bye, see you in next video, take care.